Hi kids, my name is Ritika and I am from Maple View Delta 3 as you all know. So today we are going to learn about phonics sound. So do you know how many letters are there in English? Yes, it's 26. We have 26 alphabet in English. Okay, so let's sing ABC song. Okay, now let's do together. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time, won't you sing with me? Yes, very good. Now, starting with the phonics sounds today, so we are going to hear a story. Not one story, but 5 stories of alphabet. Yes, even alphabets have stories. Okay, so let's start with the first alphabet. Can you tell me which is the first alphabet? Yes, it's A. Okay, so can you see this? Oh wow, so A. So let's hear out the story behind the A letter. So a girl named Annie went to an aeroplane. When she was walking on the aeroplane, she got bit by an ant. Yes, ant. And she shouted with pain, eh, 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 eh. Yes, correct. So the sound, phonic sound of A is A, A, A. So let's do it. A, A for apple. A for ant. A for aeroplane. Yes, so A, A, A. Now coming to the next sound, that is, yes, tell me, B. Yes, B. So let's hear out the story of letter B, alphabet B. So a boy named Bablu went to take bananas from a market. When he bought the banana, he was coming back to his house. When he was coming back to his house, a monkey caught him. Yes, and he took all the bananas. Now the boy shouted. How Bablu shouted? Bah, bah, bah. He took all my bananas. Bah, bah, bah. Yes, the sound for B is B, B, B. So B for ball, B for balloon, and B for boat. B, B, B. B, B for B. Yes. Now coming to the letter alphabet C, third alphabet. Okay, so we have done first alphabet, that is A, 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 B, 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 second alphabet. Now the time is for third alphabet, C. So let's do it, C. Okay. Now a girl named Cassie, she was very beautiful. Yes. She was having her birthday on the day after the Christmas. Yes, Christmas. Now she was very happy for her cake. Now she was drinking coffee from her cup. And her father was coming home. Yes, her father was coming home by a car. She was very happy. Now the birthday came, the day after the Christmas. Yes, she was very happy. But when her father came, he hasn't brought her cake because there was no cake left. Now, she was crying a lot. She was crying like, Ka, 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 where is my cake? Ka, Ka, where is my cake? She was crying, Ka, Ka, where is my cake? Yes, you got it right. So the phonic sound of C is K, K, K. C for cake. C for cat. C for car. C for cup. Yes, the phonic sound for C is K, K, K. Yes. So, coming to the fourth alphabet, that is D. Yes, D. So, a boy named David was going to buy a donkey. Yes, donkey. He wanted to play with his donkey and the donkey wanted to sleep. One fine day, when David was playing alone, his donkey was running towards him. Why? His donkey wanted to eat a donut that David was having. Yes, he wanted to eat the donut. Now, because David doesn't wanted to give any donut to his donkey, he started to playing a drum. Yes, drum. Now, when the drum was beating, his donkey got feared. He was very scared and he went back shouting, duh, 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 duh. Yes. So the phonic sound for D is duh, duh, duh. Okay, so let's do duh. D. D for dice. Duh, duh, dice. D for drum. Duh, duh, drum. D for donut. Donut. Duh, duh, donut. Very nice, children. So the last one we are going to do today is alphabet E, the fifth alphabet. Okay. So E. So let's hear the story of E. An elephant. Yes, a big elephant was walking in a jungle when he saw an eagle coming towards a snake. Yes, an eagle was coming. He got very furious and he wanted to save that snake. When eagle came, then what happened? Elephant was coming very fast to save the snake. He talked to eagle that if I give you an egg, will you stop hunting for snakes? The eagle said, why? Why should I take this egg and don't take the snake? Elephant told, see, I have big ears. I even have big trunk. I will kill you if you will hurt the snake. Don't hurt any animal. Take this egg and be happy always. Eagle was very curious that why he was saving the snake. He got angry and sounded like E, E, E. And yes, the phonic sound for E is A, A, A. Let's start. So A for egg, E for eyes, and E for ears. Yes, E for egg, your eyes, E for elephant. Yes. So, did you like stories? Yes. So, all the letters, all the alphabet have different stories that we are going to learn in the next video. Okay. So, today we learned about 5 alphabet, that is A, B, C, D and E. I hope you liked the video and you will also do the phonic sound. Yes. I'll see you in the next video with more alphabets. Yes. So till then, bye. Stay safe and stay healthy at your home and don't trouble your parents. Okay? Bye kids.